In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Combined Listings app. If you've ever had similar products scattered across your store, maybe the same item in different sizes or colors, this tool helps you bring them together into one clean, shopper-friendly product page. That means fewer duplicate listings, a simpler browsing experience, and easier management on your end. Start by heading to your Shopify admin and opening the Apps section. Look for Combined Listings and click to open it. If you don't see it in your list, no problem. Visit the Shopify App Store, search for Combined Listings, and install it so it appears in your apps. Once you're in the app, you're ready to build your merged product. Click Create Combined Listing. This opens a fresh workspace that will represent the new unified product your customers will see. Think of it as a container that pulls together the items you already sell into a single product with selectable options. Next, give your combined listing a clear descriptive title. Choose something that matches how customers shop and search, like including the core product name plus the key differentiators such as color or size. Consistent naming makes your catalog easier to scan and helps with search within your store. Now click Add Products and select the products you want to combine. Pick items that are fundamentally the same product, but vary by attributes like size, color, material, or style. Keeping similar items together will make your options intuitive and keep your variants accurate. After selecting your products, define the product options you want shoppers to choose from, such as size, color, or style, and assign the correct values from the products you added. This mapping tells the app how each original product translates into a variant. Keep option names consistent and concise, and avoid duplicates so your variant menu stays clean. If two products share a value like blue, the app will align them under the same option value, which helps prevent confusion. When everything looks right, save the new combined listing. The app will automatically consolidate your data, including images, descriptions, and variants. That means you don't have to manually re-upload photos or rewrite copy. It draws from the source products to build a unified page with the right variant structure. From here, your combined listing behaves like any other product in your catalog, with centralized options your customers can select. And that's it. You've streamlined your storefront by turning multiple items into one organized product page, making it easier to shop and easier to manage.